Sweetie, let's do your math homework. I don't want to count. What's 5 plus 5? Numbers are boring. Fine. Honey, help me out. Here's a poppet. Let's count together. 2 plus 3 equals 5. What about 5 plus 5? 10. Poppets make studying math way more fun. Dad still uses a poppet calculator. This life hack is priceless. What? You left a mess in the kitchen again, hun. Bruce! Another bad grade? Next time, just make puppy eyes to melt your teacher's heart. Watch and learn. Got it? Bruce, why did you leave the kitchen looking like this? Go clean it right now. Puppy eyes in action. Go, honey. Fine, I forgive you. I'll try it too. Miss Sarah, I earned a good grade. Oh, her puppy eyes. Fine, I'll give you a better score. Here's your new backpack. No, I don't like it. I won't take it to school. What? You don't like the backpack? Then take a bag to class. This is your grandpa's old life hack. What is this? No! I know what kind of backpack she'll like. Order now. A stylish poppet backpack. This is my favorite backpack ever. I can't wait for school. Thanks. What's wrong, sweetie? Mom, I feel sick. Can I stay home from school? She bought it. If you're sick, you need help. Do you want a shot or pills? Pills! Here's 2 Skittles. Now go to class. You're all better. You can't fool me. Dad! A girl in my class wanted to take my toy. This one? How dare she? This is a family heirloom. You have to protect it. I'll teach you how. Kaya! Repeat after me. Excellent, sweetie. You are even better than me. Now you're ready. Go defend your honor. I won't give you anything. Fight me. That's not the right life hack. Mom, a girl tried to take my toy. This one? Next time, why not share with her? You can give her a second one. Here, take the other one. Want to play together? That's the right life hack. Mom! What happened? Oh, the marker cap vanished. Here they all are. You are great at losing these, sweetie. But Mom has a life hack. Just glue a small cord to a marker. Then glue the other side to the cap. Now the cap won't ever get lost. You can keep making art. Nice life hack, hun. Dad glued all his treasures to his belt. Sweetie, wake up! You're late for class! We need to get ready! Put everything in the backpack!
Huh?
You ready, Princess? Oh, we forgot about your hair! It'll be fast, though! Dad has seen Tangled a lot, and he knows all about hairstyles! Done! Oh, my hair!
Huh?
You don't like it? Fine! Here's a classic life hack for you! Just wear a hat! Dad! I got another bad grade! I know how to fix this! Next time, just glue a cheat sheet to the teacher's back. Then copy off of it. That's right! That's not a good life hack. Just study instead. Then you'll get good grades. There's a life hack for you.
Huh?
Sweetie, how are you holding the pen? That's not right. Let me help you. Hold it like this. Now let's keep it secure. Put a rubber band on 2 fingers, put the pen in the middle, and twist it to keep it stuck in the loop. Thanks, Mommy! So that's who she's like. Sweetie, here's your lunch. A sandwich and an apple. I don't want it. You don't want your apple? I'll think of something else. Apples cut like French fries. Now she'll eat it. My favorite snack. Thanks, Mom. Ew, a boring old apple. I have French fries. Have some.
And my name is Ellison. This is Harry Jarvis. We're from the...
Overall, you can expect a smooth
Dad, my pen's not working. Let me fix it. Wow, it's really not working. I know. Just blow on it.
Huh?
Or shake it.
Huh?
No? I'll have to break out the big guns. Just a second, hon.
Huh?
I need to heat up the pen with a hairdryer. Thanks. Now the pen works again. I'm the best. Here you go.
Huh?
Whose is this? Dad! What happened? Oh, you got mixed up again. Let's figure out what's what. Now your locker is covered in stickers. You won't lose track of it for sure. Thanks, Dad. What? A unicorn? How can you wake your kid up in the morning? What? Wake up! Shh. Wake up! Here's a nice song. That's not a good life hack. Your pencil broke? Here, take my sharpener. Oh, so many shavings. Let's clean up a little. Take a balloon and put the sharpener inside. Sharpen the pencil and all the shavings will fall inside. Now there won't be a huge mess. That's a great hack! Did you like our life hacks? Then comment below and tell us what you're doing to get ready for school. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.